Hello everyone, welcome to Addy Trade. Just making a quick video for tomorrow, December 15th, Wednesday. Now, just looking at a quick video. What I have opened here is the daily chart of Banknifty. See, in Banknifty, we after getting a big slip right on the downside from past few days, we have kind of made this pattern, okay, like a channel. So we'll have to see if the further good shot can come if this channel breaks. That is somewhere about 36,800 or something. If we break, we can see further downside probably until 35,300 is possible, if not tomorrow or this week or next week. That is what I'll be betting on. And any move on the upside, probably we can see until this trend line, that is along this black trend line that I marked somewhere around 37,800 or so. And just looking at the daily chart of Nifty, see, after getting this gap down, right, we have made kind of a doji pattern. So we'll have to see how we move tomorrow, whether this is just going to be a small dip and a retracement, or we're going to dip further. We'll be seeing those 15-minute chart levels. Now I've just opened this 15-minute chart for Banknifty with the weekly, monthly and the daily CPR added. Let me make this more clear. See, today morning when we dipped, right, we had a beautiful retest of this resistance at about 36,800. I'll be showing you on the price action chart. And we dipped until the weekly CPR level and then bounced, right? So tomorrow had a good bounce and again had a slip from daily CPR. See, if you observe closely, we have the daily CPR here. So we kind of like hit the daily CPR and then had a pretty good fall again. So these were the pretty good scalping moves. One on the downside here, up if anybody caught, and this down. I kind of messed up here, took some loss, then recovered all the loss in this fall. I'll be showing you that. Now coming for tomorrow, right, this particular area at about 37,030 will act as a strong resistance until 37,100. So in case we get a gap up, I could be looking probably to short at these levels. What I'm expecting is a reversal from here. In case we break this level, yeah, then probably I'll trade until R2 37,300, or even if I get a gap down, probably I'll trade for lower levels, 36,600 and 36,500. See, this is the CPR levels. I also have this chart where I have manually marked all the levels. See, what I was saying about today is I'm just going to shift to a 5-minute chart so it'll be more clear. See, we had taken support in this region for many days, right, at about 36,800. Today we got a dip, went again, took resistance exactly at that area and started dipping. And this green line we already had marked based on this price action and reversed until this red line. So tomorrow this again will act as a good resistance, this area of 37,000 and 37,100. If we get a bearish 5-minute a bearish candle in a 5-minute chart, right, probably we can short at these levels with this low green line as target, along with making use of the CPR levels. Now just looking at see, this is my Alice Blue trading account. Morning I had made about 7,000 loss, but in one trade recovered everything. And now I have a silver future trade that is running, which is pretty good, made about 1,000 bucks there. And coming to the open interest for Banknifty, right? See, we have a very good resistance at 37,000, and a good resistance is also there at 36,000. Some call rating has been added probably in the end, and a good support is still at 36,500. So any dip until 36,500 can result in a good bounce again if this does not break tomorrow. Now coming to the Nifty, I'm just going to make this red line as a resistance line. So even Nifty remained choppy between S1 and the previous day low of CPR. We came down, tested this same place where we took resistance. Okay, sorry, I had to make it red. Yeah, took resistance again and had a dip. And tomorrow, one more thing to add is both in Nifty and Banknifty, we have a narrow CPR compared to today, which was a wide CPR. So we could have a one-way move either on the downside or upside. most likely when we have a narrow CPR, we get good moves in the market. See, and this gap that was pending, right, got filled today. So in case the next good shot in Nifty is only if this gap breaks of 17,250, probably we can see a dip until 17,150 as well. And just looking at the open interest in Nifty, see, there's a good there is some call rating added at 17,300. So this is a good resistance. A good support right now is at 17,200 and a very good resistance at 17,400. Now if you see those levels on the chart, again, see the 17,400, like 17,390, we have a good resistance even in the OS. In the morning, if we get a gap up to somewhere here and a bearish price action, probably I'll be looking to short with these lower levels with S1 as the target, CPR and S1 as the target. So this is my view for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope it helps. And today this is our trade. We didn't make much. Actually, initially it due to the execution and little hurry-burry in the trade made a loss, but finally was able to recover. And hope the silver future goes pretty well. Now just showing you why I've taken a trade in silver is again based on CPR. Even in commodity, CPR works really well. So this is the daily, monthly and the weekly CPR chart, right? Once we broke the CPR, daily CPR I entered. Now my target is this of 60,600. If I hit this, probably I'll get out. That's my view for silver, and it's going good. And if I start going below 1,000, I'll just square off and be happy with my profit. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and like this video.